Hi, folks. As I promised you yesterday, I'm back here today with you on our YouTube channel of Kizna Institute of Foreign Studies. And we are doing here a series of 100 Basics of Doing Great Work. It's a collection of 100 videos wherein we'll be talking about the Japanese work culture in Japanese and then have a basic translation of the contents. And it's a 10 minutes video roughly wherein we first present a topic before you as a part of the creative typewriter series, and wherein the focus theme of the discussion is 100 ways of doing great work. So yesterday we had introduced the day one, wherein we spoke about creating every day some newness in your life. So today I'll be talking about things that everyone knows. Yes, today's topic here on 100 Basics of Doing Great Work is things that everyone knows. In Japanese, it's titled as Dare demo shitteru koto. Dare demo shitteru koto. And in English, it's things that everyone knows. So first I'll speak in Japanese, try to decipher what I'm trying to say, and well, it's in very simple basic Japanese, so the contents should not be very difficult, and it should be, if you are a intermediate Japanese language learner, it should not be very difficult for you to decipher. You should be able to understand the basic contents even as I speak Japanese, and then I'll be giving you a layman translation of the same topic along with few of my insights in English as well. So let's begin. 誰でも知ってることを。日々の仕事に大切なものは発見と発明、新しい工夫です。それでも覚えておきましょう。誰でも知ってることこそ一番強いテーマだということ。誰でも知ってるからこそもう古いではありません。普遍的なものの中に無限の新しさが潜んでいます。多く知っている当たり前の中にはみんなが欲しいもの、みんなが知りたいことが入っているのです。新しい切り口で普通のことを眺めてみることにしましょう。So this was the Japanese wherein we spoke about 誰でも知っていることを。For the benefit of our listeners, I'll be repeating the Japanese topic one more time, the whole of Japanese contents one more time, so that you can try to go slow and decipher it in the second round, the stuff that I have spoken in Japanese, and then we'll do some interpretation and maybe translation practice of the stuff. So first I'll give you the Japanese one more time. Try to listen carefully. 誰でも知っていることを。日々の仕事に大切なものは発見と発明、新しい工夫です。それでも覚えておきましょう。誰でも知っていることこそ一番強いテーマだということ。誰でも知っているからもう古いのではありません。普遍的なものの中に無限の新しさが潜んでいます。多く知っている当たり前の中にはみんなが欲しいもの、みんなが知りたいことがあるのです。新しい切り口で普遍のことを眺めてみることにしましょう。So friends, our Japanese language learners, how easy or how difficult this was for you to understand? Let me know your views in the comment section of the video, and accordingly I'll try to do some kaizen in my next video, try to make it more useful, more helpful for our language learning community. So now allow me to explain this to you in layman English. The topic is things that everyone knows. Discovery, invention, and new ideas are important in our daily work. Still, let's remember this. What everyone knows is actually the strongest theme. It is not already old because everyone knows it. Infinite newness lies in the most universal things. In the most obvious things that we all know very well lies an answer to what everyone wants, what everyone wishes to know. So let's start taking a look at ordinary things from our daily life from a new perspective. Let me repeat this again for your benefit. So the Japanese was Daredemo shitteru koto, things that everyone knows. The English, I'll go again little slow this time. Discovery, invention, and new ideas are important in our daily work. Still, let's remember this. What everyone knows is actually the strongest theme. It is not already old because everyone knows it. Infinite newness lies in the most universal things. In the most obvious things that we all know very well lies an answer to what everyone wants, what everyone wishes to know. So let's start taking a look at our ordinary things in our life from a new perspective. Yes, this new perspective is important, my friends. There are so many things that are part of our daily lives, and they're just a parcel of our lives, and we keep on doing those things from the same perspective, from the same approach. Nothing changes, and it becomes kind of our daily routine. But if we start looking at our day-to-day things from a new perspective, there are going to be new discoveries, new inventions, and new ideas are going to come up. Now we all are navigating through this difficult COVID times where so many unprecedented things are happening all across the world. There are so many people who are losing jobs, and that's true even for our Japanese language community. Our Japanese language professionals, they get in touch with me almost daily on various social media platforms, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, even on WhatsApp chats, and sometimes on emails. People are sending across their CVs. Some of them are well known to me, while some are totally unknown, but they're still part of our own industry. Some are from within India, some are Indians living in Japan, while some are just new friends, totally unknown to me. But that's how the community is coming closer, and the needs of the community are coming to the fore, coming to the surface. So I personally get to interact with so many of you daily, and what I understand about our needs of the community is there needs to be a community kind of a approach where we are available to each other, where we are ready to speak to each other, be available for them in their times of need, try to understand their needs, and see if in our current capacity as a Japanese language professional, if there is anything at all that we could do to help these friends of ours in this great times of need. I'm personally doing my bit by organizing a few groups. The groups are named as Japanese language professionals across the world. Yes, Japanese language professionals across the world, both on Facebook and LinkedIn. And our very diverse community from different nooks and corners of the world is slowly and gradually, but surely it's building up. We are getting lots of new friends adding up to our community, to our Facebook groups, also to our LinkedIn groups. And I'm happy to note that within a month of our start, we are growing in huge numbers. So I look forward to your continued participation, and also participation in our YouTube video attempt to connect with you, to connect with all of you. And herein, to begin with, I'm passing on some lectures wherein we are talking about 100 basics of doing great work, and it's a series of 100 videos which we are doing under the name of the Creative Typewriter. I've been writing extensively on LinkedIn these days, talking about things, the very, very basic things that we need to be doing as professionals to bring quality to our work, to bring effectiveness to our work. And that's my humble attempt to give it back to our Japanese language learning community, and I'll continue to do so. And in near future, I hope to interact with more of you guys not only through these videos but also through our live chat sessions on Facebook, on Instagram, and also we also plan to do YouTube lives very soon. But I'm not a technology geek, and I am not much aware with the softwares, with the editing softwares, with the creating softwares that are available to us to improve the quality of the videos that I'm trying to produce for you. Well, this was my second video. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being friends. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Bye bye.